It's time to plant some garlic. I really hope this keeps some of the squirrels away. The squirrels that live in my area are very determined to get into my raised beds, and they love digging up. But I hope once they start digging, they realize there's garlic in there, that they'll run away and that they'll leave. I'm planting these a little bit later than I really anticipated. But I got really busy in the garden with just a lot of other projects. So now I'm just basically catching up. I will drop in the link in the description or in the comments what kind of garlic I have here. Let me know how you like to cook your garlic and what are your favorite recipes. I love putting garlic in everything. Even in my flu balm for the season, because garlic is very great to boost the immune system. And when I'm feeling sick, it knocks it out really well when I add it to my flu balm. Okay, so look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, absolutely great. I want my garlic to be spaced out between 4 to 6 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just lay them where I probably want them to go. So I'll probably put 2 here. So I have a lot of garlic. I'm estimating. Say about that. That's more than 6 inches. 4 to 6 inches. Yummy, yummy garlic. I really hope this really helps with keeping the squirrels out the way once it starts growing, because those squirrels, they sure can be real nutty and drive me crazy sometimes. They're wonderful, but they get in the way. You want to plant it, first of all, this part here, you want that to be facing down and this pointy part to be facing up. You want to plant it about 3 inches deep. So I'm just going to be estimating about 3 inches deep at the tip from the actual top of the soil. It's real deep. And then cover it up. All right, I'm going to try another one right here. Y'all, I hope this works. Make sure you follow me, because next year when these pop up, we'll see how this all works and all turns out. All right, that should be about 3 inches. I think that's about 3 inches. About my finger, 1, 2, 3, about 3 inches. Yep. I'm gonna close it in, cover it up. Hopefully it pops through as it gets strong. Let me show you another one. This soil is enriched with compost. I already amended it like a week ago. Pop that garlic in here, close it up, and cover it. And so I'll do that for the rest of them that are in this bed all the way around. I went ahead and planted the rest of them all in here, and I have actually some more that I'm going to plant over here in the blackberries. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great videos. This is a real just short one just because I just wanted to plant the garlic, get them in. It's about to rain. This weather is dropping down to the 20s. I am late on planting my garlic. Yes, I know. But hopefully they will still just have a couple days where they can just start rooting in, and that it won't freeze to the point where they're not able to develop. But anyways, remember to grow, eat, and self-care. Bye.